Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you do subscribe. The red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate all your love and support. Today's video is another unboxing video. A few months back I told you guys that I'm not going to buy too many items this year, but seems like that it's not working on me, but I'm trying my best. But the Dior is just like, oh my goodness, like every time I go in the Dior stores I always find something there to buy. So today's video is very exciting video, because if you have been watching my video from last year, I made a video that I said that the luxury items I want to buy. I said that I won't buy in my life. So that's why you said never, okay? See, I bought the items now that I said I won't buy. So I changed. Sometimes you put the things in your wish list and it changes and you're not gonna like that items, or sometimes you say like, I will never buy that items, and then things change and you start gonna love that item. So that's what happened to me. So I have something to share with you guys. Are you guys ready? It's a big box. Here is the box. Look at this, how big it is. So huge. So I guess you guys already guessed this one, that what's inside this. It looks like a cake right here. Like it's a big box with definitely with the ribbon here. I took the bag out because the bag was so huge, and just took the bag out. So here it is inside. So this comes into this dust bag. Let me put this box down. I guess you already guessed what's inside here. So here the things comes in the dust bag, and I will open these things here. Are you guys ready? I'm excited for this bag. Here is my Dior book tote in a small size. Look at this, how pretty is this? I got this in oblique. I almost got the different one. I ordered a few other book tote, but I decided to, I will insert the pictures of some other that I was thinking to buy, but at the end I just go for the classic, and this is so beautiful. I like the embroidery here, and I like the handle, and I like the size. So when I made the video that the luxury items that I want to buy, it was the big book tote, and I don't think I want to buy the big one, because the big one is too big for my body frame, because I'm not very big person, but the small one is perfect for my body size. And I love this bag. This is so cute, and I've been thinking about this is the perfect for my travel. Like, you know, you can just put things inside here, and you can have your little purse on the side, and you can have your hand carry luggage, and you are good to go. But it seems like that we are not traveling anywhere for a long time. I don't know for how long time. It just seems so crazy about all this virus right now. So anyways, I love this bag, and this is just so beautiful. You can carry in a different style. You can carry just like this and walk around, or you can even carry like this. This is just so beautiful, and I think this color goes with every outfit. And also I feel like this color doesn't look that dirty. They have the white one. I will insert the picture, white with the beautiful embroidery. I love that bag. It's just like a piece of art. I feel like that. But you know, the white bag goes very dirty fast. You know, if I invest money, then I don't want something that doesn't go dirty fast. Like, you know, I get very freaked out. I don't know what is that in my hair. Like if I buy a white, even like a white outfit, every time I wear the white outfit, if I go to eat out, and something always drop in my t-shirt or something if I wear the white outfit, it just like drives me crazy. Anyways, this is my bag. I like this bag because I feel like I can carry so many things in this bag, and this is not very big. Let's open this one right here, the handle. You know, the lots of people were on the waiting list for this bag, and once my essay, she got this one, she just texted me and said like, okay, do you want this bag or no? Which small tote bag you want, because it's going so fast and lots of people are on the waiting list. So she sent me the other few pictures of the bags, but I like this one. Let's take this all out. And also inside here, oh, there is a Dior card, and here is the bag. Look at this. When you unfold it, like this is like the size in the side, and this is how it looks in the back. It's very beautiful. I did not write my name or anything because I don't like people to know my name, or also, like, you know, if I want to give this bag in future to somebody, then maybe they don't want my name in the bag, you know what I mean? Or I can sell. Anyways, I'm not good in buying and selling any pre-loved one, but I'm just thinking like, okay, nobody need to know my name, and so I decided just to not to write my name here. And this is the bag. Look at this. This is not very big. This is a perfect size. I love this bag, and I think it's gonna look so beautiful. And it's not very heavy either. The big tote one was very heavy. This is not very heavy. If I have to go to work with this bag, I can fit my small laptop. I have a MacBook, the smaller size. I think that one fit easily here. And even like when you travel, like, you know, you can put some of your essential. I would not put my wallet or something because it doesn't have any closer here, and I'm always freaked out about it if somebody just put their hand and take my wallet out. But if I go somewhere traveling, definitely I'm gonna have a crossbody bag or some other purse to have my wallet and things, and this can be just a hand carry with my hand luggage, and this on top of, oh, this is gonna look perfect. I already have a plan. I just need to travel. I love this bag. It's just a simple blue Christian Dior in the front, and this bag definitely is the very most used bag now. I can see myself that I'm gonna use this bag often. This is my small Dior embroidery book tote bag, and I am happy that this bag added to my collection. So here's the bag, and I have another things from Dior. Let me bring that one. Something to show you. I opened this already. I don't know I'm gonna keep this one or no, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I ordered. This is in a small pouch, and I ordered this belt. It's in a men's section. I want that belt with the CD, the gold buckle one, but it's so hard to find that belt. They had that belt, but not on my size still. So I'm still waiting on that belt to come. So this is the one that I ordered. This has what is that called? Elastic? I don't know what is this called. It has, you can adjust your size right here, and this is how it looks in the front. But I really don't know I'm gonna keep this or not. I was thinking, like, you know, if I wear like a dress or something. This is very hard to put this on. Like, okay, you have to put the C first, and then you have to go around the D. This is how it looks. I don't know about this belt. What do you guys think? Should I keep this belt or no? And this is elastic, and it says Christian Dior on the back. And I really want that gold belt. I will insert the picture here, but they do not have my size, and I have been waiting for that belt for so long time. My essay brought like already 2 sizes for that belt, but it still doesn't fit on me. That's the problem when you gain weight, I guess. I don't know. I'm not that big, but still, I don't know. So this is the belt I ordered, but I don't know. I should keep this one or no. What do you guys think? Let me know. Maybe I should return. I don't know. I don't know. I will see. But this is the belt. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing my Dior book tote bag. I can't wait to style, and I can't wait to take them out. I think I'm gonna take that bag out today. I'm so excited for that bag. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so, then make sure you do subscribe and do the thumbs up to my video, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.